I thought I was filming, but I wasn't. But hey, beauties and gents, it's your girl Linnee, and welcome to Inner Beauty Out. And today we are just in for it because we are playing in all shades of purple, a little bit of pink, some hints of blue. Can you feel this look coming through your screen right now? Because I do. And so today we are actually diving into the Mcgrath Mothership Subversive palette, and it is a older palette that came out, I want to say maybe like last year or so. It's called La Vie en Rose. Just want to quickly show you what the shades look like just so that you have an idea of what we're playing with. I'm going to probably insert a clip somewhere around here that kind of tells you what it actually looks like on my skin. And then we also like tapped into a couple other things. We tapped into the Starlit palette, and this is by Makeup Forever. It was limited edition, so it isn't available to my understanding at this moment. It may come back. This is like their glitter form, and it's in a palette. Basically it's in a palette, and so we got to play around with that. I'll also include a clip of that as well, just so that you guys get to see what that actually looks like on my skin complexion as well. As far as my lip color, I played with the Tarteist lip paint in Fri-yay. I did a matte version, and then I also did this duochrome goodness right now of a gloss, and it's called Pink Trip. And this is by MAC. I believe this was limited edition. I don't know if they made this permanent, but I'll find out and include that within the video as well. Now, as you know, your girl's going to keep it all the way 100 in regards to my feelings about the products that I bring before you guys. I don't want you guys to go ahead and spend your hard-earned coin on products you probably don't need. So, as much as I like to review some of the things that I enjoy, I will let you be the deciding factor as far as whether you should purchase it or not. Last year I picked up this palette, La Vie en Rose palette, and it is a beautiful palette. It is very different, unlike any other palette that you probably have seen, simply by the packaging in and of itself. I'm going to pick up another palette that I used in this video, which was the Starlit Makeup Forever palette, and this is what your traditional palette will look like. It will be this kind of like long, elongated shape. It could be short, but it opens up this way, and you have a mirror, and you have your shades, and so forth, right? However, this palette actually opens up very differently. It opens up like this. The magnetic is pretty strong, which is not a bad thing, but it opens up like a book, and I think it's really, really cool. It has a mirror on one side, and then you have 6 shades. 6 beautiful color story shades. Now is the point for me to tell you what I think about it. So my pros for this is that I do enjoy that this whole thing is a mirror. It's really big, and it's beautiful, and it feels heavy. It doesn't feel like your plexiglass kind of a situation. Then you have your 6 shades. Now, as you can see, when you look a little bit closer into the palette, there is some fallout, but I don't think that is a bad thing, because the next thing that's going to happen that I'm going to tell you is that it's very pigmented. I find that these are pretty big wells as far as shadows. They're comparable to size, but I do feel like other palettes are a bit smaller. It's a nice size of pans as far as the eyeshadows. So I will say that some of the shades, honest opinion, is a little chalky. Her foiled shades are on point, like on point. This gold shade is amazing. This purple shade is amazing. This more mauvey purple kind of like grayish shift is beautiful. Not that the other shades are not pretty, like they don't go on smooth without skipping. And so I just want to be completely honest about that, because it's important for you to know if you're going to spend $55 on 6 shades, all 6 shades I feel like should be superb. And it's not to say I'm not supporting her. I love this palette. I enjoy it. I'm keeping it. I'm not returning it. Obviously, I haven't returned it because I really think they are a beautiful color story, and I do feel like I would more than likely predominantly use the colors that are more foiled anyway. When I went in as far as doing my makeup look today, even though they are patchy, when I swatch them they pack on really nicely, so I did want to just mention that as well. If you're looking for something super pretty and gorgeous like this, you don't mind a little bit of fallout, you don't mind that it swatches this way, but you're okay with the pigmentation being there, then I say go for it. I definitely say go for it. If you're a collector, I think that this would be awesome to have. If you're planning on using this as a working palette, I don't find, if you are someone who predominantly likes to sit things down and layer them so that you can work from them, I think unless you're just laying it down this way, this is the only way that it would work out for you, because this cannot bend all the way back and this can't bend all the way back. So, and I do not believe, unless you plan on just completely destroying the palette to just get this in the center out, that's the only way I could see it being a working palette, or you're just going to go with that as a standalone. But these are really pretty if you're trying to invest in some beautiful purples for, you know, prom season is coming up, wedding season, and stuff like that. This is a nice on point shade range. Just wanted to let you guys know that. Now, what drew me to this particular palette was the purple. The purple that you got see on my eye right now is what really drew me to this palette. And you know, the gold is absolutely stunning too, but I feel like I always typically do looks that involve warmer shades like the golds and the, you know, soft neutrals. And so today I wanted to go out there and just give you guys something I really enjoyed, which is my favorite color, purple. This retails for $55. You can get it from Sephora or from the Pat Mcgrath website. And so I really wanted to wait and share this with you guys, which is why it took me so long to put a look together. I did want to take the time to also share with you guys something else that I used as a base, which was Danessa Myricks. I don't think I get to talk to her about her quite enough on my channel, but or at all really. But she is a phenomenal makeup artist, and she created this waterproof cream palette. This first shade is called Get It Girl. The second shade is called Girl Power. The center shade in green is called Mogul. This blue is called CEO. This top shade is called Fearless, and the last one, Gold Digger. It's really pretty. I think this is great the way that she actually put the names on the back, because it makes it easier for you to kind of like really see. And what's cool about this, again, like, it's this wet consistency, but you know, it's got pigment, because it's just so pretty. So this is what they look like. Please don't get on me for my swatches, but they are absolutely stunning shades. And what I love about this is that you can do practically just about anything with them. You can lay these on the eyes as is, or you can lay them underneath a shade, which is what I did. I ended up using this Gold Digger shade, the purple one, and that was what my base was for the eyeshadow that I got on today, and it really just helped it to pop a little bit more. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, because sharing is caring. You know, when a girl knows something, she wants to let you guys know what's up. So I hope you enjoy. guys for watching. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I shared a lot. I showed a lot. I do hope that you enjoyed this. I hope that you enjoy the content that is coming out. If there is something that you want to see and you would like me to review, please leave it in the comment section and I'll definitely check it out. Visit me in the comment sections just to say what's up, because I enjoy speaking to you guys. You know, you make this happen right now. And so again, thank you guys for watching me and checking out this channel for your girl's birthday month. Just show me some love. I think the best gift that I could receive on my channel right now would be to have you guys go and like, comment and like my videos and view them if you haven't gotten a chance to really view them, because that really helps me out so much. You have no idea. But again, I love you guys. I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.